Never mind, we're not gonna go that way. Okay, I guess into the blood we go. How's it jamming, everybody? And welcome to The Fridge is Red. I saw this in the horror game section, and because it is that time of the year, I had to play it. So we are going to see what this entitles. I don't know if this is going to be 1 episode or 2 episodes. Who knows? Maybe it'll be 5. Let us see. For Daddy to work. Okay. Yes, hello. Yes. Phone.
He hung up.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
What? It's 11 p.m. I have to go home.
Cool. Turn off the computer. Can I move? Do I get out of... Oh, there we go. Okay. I had to look down and click on the chair in order to get out. That makes sense. Am I able to... Oh, I'm pressing the wrong buttons. That's why. I was pressing, like, shift and caps lock.
I
Upsies.
have to turn off the lights, or the cleaning lady will grumble again.
Okay, fine. Jeez Louise, they're right there. Oh, gosh. That's creepy. Yes? Oh. Hey. Okay, we're just gonna... Everything says get in the elevator. Well, wait. This door was flashing. Oh, it doesn't do it anymore. Okay. I guess we'll go to the elevator then? Can I run? Oh, gosh, I can. Then we'll sprint there. Ooh, vending machine. Can I get some crackers? Or some very blue water. Excuse me? What? Okay. I guess elevator. We're on the 9th floor. Oh, this is a tall building. We don't have many buildings around my place where there's 9 floors. So, oh gosh, that was really creepy. Okay, so stop. Which floor am I supposed to do? 1? 1 sounds right. Maybe. No, it doesn't sound right anymore. Why is the light like that? I don't like this music. I guess 5? No, okay, we're still going down. Everything just cut. Or 4? Okay, yep, can we close? Can we close? Close the door? Please? Please close. Or, stop. Oh gosh, I don't like this. Hello? Okay. What is happening? I have no idea. Can I... Oh, my goodness. Where are we going? Yes? I don't want to stay here anymore. Oh, big red dot. Yay. Can I call? Everything's broken. Thanks, extremely creepy operator, for really telling me what? Sorry, I couldn't understand you. Okay, I'm sorry. Lo siento. Oh, we're back. On no floor, apparently. And the light is still broken. Love it. But at least we can... Oh, okay, never mind. Don't look at the art. That's what breaks everything. It's nice art, though. It's very nice. Are we fixed yet? Or are we just gonna keep waiting? Stop. Oh. Thanks. Are you gonna come through this door all of a sudden? Hello? Maybe if I just mash some more buttons? Oh, hey, what is going on? Oh, okay. Can we just... Oh! Um... Am I supposed to be doing this? Am I supposed to be doing this? I don't know. Am I supposed to be doing this? I don't know. There's two eyes. I don't like the music, so I guess... Okay, that didn't do anything. Okay, I guess the music is stuck. Stop. Can we do anything? Or is it... Okay, yeah, you can... Hello? I don't know what's happening. Hello? There's light. There's something going on. I don't know what's happening. Hello? Operator? Is there a flashlight? Oh, there is a flashlight. Pick up the flashlight. Pick up the stupid flashlight. You picked up a flashlight. Thanks. Can I turn it on? Oh, yes, I can. Hello? Hello, sir. I'm still falling. I don't like this. Stop. Stop. The sound just cut out, but I was still dropping. Okay. Open? I don't know if I really want to do this. Okay. Lift. Thanks. I do that sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna keep the flashlight on because that was scary. Oh, freaking A. You stupid little piece of crap. Oh gosh, there's stairs. Okay. I thought it was just gonna drop. Oh, that's a good sign. In here? Nope, that's not the right thing. I have to click it. Just open. Oh, goodness gracious. You stupid. Do not play on or around. Oh, hey. I don't know what I just hit, but... Does anything work? You can see it move just to swipe it. Oh, now this is open. Okay, then. Okay, that's closed too. Let's keep going down into the pits of hell, I guess. That time it didn't scare me. Haha, suck it. Hold up. Were we not just... What? Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. Never mind, we're not gonna go that way. Okay, I guess into the blood we go. Can we just close that off? Maybe not. Die? Okay, cool. Perfect. Is this another one? Okay, it's not. Kinda wanna stop playing this. This is very creepy. I don't like this. Why is there doors everywhere? Oh, yes. I love it. Locker room, nothing's there. Can't go in there either. So I guess we're going in the staff lounge. No, we're not. Okay, fine, we'll go. Hello, you just moved. Why did you move? If I go like this, are you gonna move? Okay, no, you're not. Hello? Human?
If you need coins, look in Mitchell's lock.
Okay, thanks. Radio? I'ma take it. I'ma take it. Unlocks a new chapter. Ooh, a key. That must be important. Okay, he also said something about Mitchell's locker, so that might be something we have to check out later. Excuse me? What the frick? Do I need coins? Just gonna leave you to do whatever you need to do there, bud. This look. Oh gosh, yeah, that's it looks like a dead end right there. But he said something about Mitchell's locker, so maybe something back here. I'm shutting this off. This is too creepy. I'm not gonna deal with that. Okay, so this must be open now, right? Yes. Okay, because I got the key. Ha 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 ha. I am smart. Alright, Mitchell's. I can barely see any of them because of the flashlight. Edgar Nakata. Oh. Be alert to all hazards. Mitchell, Mitchell, Mitchell. I'm not seeing Mitchell. But can we just open these? Oh, hey. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, there's this. Yeah, no thank you. I'm done with that. Oh. This is a bottle of wine. Inspect. Drink. Okay, then. I'm just gonna walk away then. Because clearly there's nobody in here. Is there more locker rooms? No, we just came from there. Okay, I guess we're gonna go back over this way. Down to the basement. Even lower than we're supposed to go. I don't like this. Okay, so... I'm confused then. So I can't go anywhere? What am I supposed to do? Oh. Was this Mitchell's locker all... Oh my goodness. I feel dumb now. Okay, let's go. Found out what to do. Hey buddy, why are you sitting up there now?
Unique ones.
Yes,
Look at
okay.
Mitchell's lock.
Thought you were going to be more helpful, but you aren't. I'm going to keep this on, because that's creepy. Alright, let's buy. Yes. Let me just look at it really intently. Am I supposed to buy something from here? I feel like I am, but I don't know. Kiss me. Ah! I don't know what this is. It's an ID. You picked up Tim's pass. Oh. Does that help me with something? Ah, yes. Okay. Here we go. Alright, shut off this. What should hopefully shut off the pipe up here. Look at that. It's off. There we go. Perfect. Alright, let's keep going. Holy frick. Hello. That one actually did get me again. What's in here? Pull that. What did I just do? I don't know what I just did. Okay. Alright. I just did it. I was just like, who cares? Oh. So what, do we go back up? Is that where we go? Maybe? I don't even know. Oh, that's a predicament. There we go. Back to the lift. Oh, there's a TV in here now. Find the code on the tape? What tape? I didn't get a tape. I don't see a tape. Am I supposed to get something? Oh gosh. Maybe I am. Well, let me inspect. I'm gonna die, aren't I? I'm gonna die. Is there a tape? Crayons? Aunt Jemima? Oh, sorry, she's canceled. Wheelchair with kid? What? Is my wife crippled in this game? 9 2. Oh, 9 2. Okay. Is there more? So just 9 2? Just close the doors. There we go. Okay. I just closed the doors and apparently that worked. So I don't know what I'm supposed to think. What is going on? Do we try the code now? What? Oh, that did something. That did something. I don't know what. Do I dare? Oh, okay. It's just gonna... Oh, my goodness. I don't need that anymore. Okay. Okay. Oh, gosh. This is a lot of dead bodies. I'm just gonna take... Should we buy? Oh, I just bought a hand.
I just did a boom boom.
Am I supposed to grab anything? Am I supposed to grab a hand? An intestine, I guess? I'm just gonna walk away. I'm gonna leave. I don't know what's happening. Okay, where do we go? Ah! Okay, where do we go? Do we just travel the world? Am I supposed to keep going deeper? Oh, that's a pretty sight. How you doing out there, Billy?
I just did a boom boom.
Holy freaking A. Oh my goodness, didn't expect that. Just gonna... hey buddy, are you gonna be okay? Oh, hey. Alright. Can we buy another one? Just break the thing. Yeah, give me that. Take it. Take it. Take the hand. The hand is moved to the elevator. Oh, I love that. Is there more over here? I see somebody. Hey, King Tut, you playing King of the Hill over here? How's it going? Good to see ya. Let me love you. Let me love you. Do I get to keep the hands? Solve the riddle with hands? Excuse? Oh gosh. What am I supposed to do? Two, oh gosh. 2 to the right, 5 no fingers, 1 with all the fingers, 3 with, what is that, 2 fingers? 4 with 2 fingers, 2 with 1 finger. Wait, what? I don't get it. I'm so confused. 1 with 5 fingers. Okay, 1 with... I don't know, it just dinged. Hello? I don't want to get that close. Oh! Hey, buddy! What am I seeing right now? Anyways, okay, back to this. 4 thumb and pointer. 2, it's almost like a half. I am so confused. Oh, maybe that's like a code, so maybe it's 5... 5, 1, 2, 2, 0. 5, 1, 2, 2, 0. Maybe that's it. Maybe I have to close this again because I don't want to see it. 5, 1, 2, 2, 0. Ha! I think I did it. I think I did it. I don't know why I had to collect hands for this though. Goodness, this game is weird. And this looks cool. Oh, it dinged. Oh gosh, that, I don't know if I want to get out. Oh, thanks. Do I get to go? Okay, run, please. I don't want to stay here. Do I get to go outside? No, no, no. Let me out. No, no. Oh. Oh. Okay. Daddy stayed at work. Daddy stayed at work. What? Hold on, what? What? What just happened? Well, that was The Fridge is Red. Apparently there is more to the game. That was just one story. But that was a very interesting story. So, leave a like down below if you want to see more. Because I thought it was enjoyable to experience. It was very weird and very interesting, but there's scares here and there. There's more psychological than anything. But anyways, leave a like down below if you want me to play another round of this, if you want me to play more. Or, you know, instead of leaving a like, you could just, you know, shut up. Thanks again, anyways, for watching this video, and as always, keep on jamming! Araha!